In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily tag someone in Instagram post after posting. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, so let's get started, and first off head over to Instagram, then go to your profile, and after that open a post, and let's say I want to tag someone at that post. To do that, I can tap at these three dots and then hit on edit. After that, we can tap at tag people at the bottom left corner, and then in order to tag someone, we can just tap at a photo and that will bring up search. Then just search for some user by their username, and then just tap at that user to tag them on your photo. After that, you can move it around all the photo, you can place it wherever you want, and once you've done with that, just hit at done, then done again, and in that way you can tag some users after posting a post, and that users will be notified you have tagged them at your post. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.